This is Jayaprakash, Product Manager from Manav Marketing. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is our new model MS500. This is a reusable wire cut EDM. In this model, we are introducing servo motor in the XY axis, and also this is the C-frame machine. We have the separate control for the cutting conditions and all. This is suitable for the all type of industries in the die mold, plastic, aerospace. It's been more than 3 decades Manav Marketing serving these manufacturing industries. We have the EDM division. We are dealing with CHMER wire cut EDM. The CHMER is one of the most famous brand in the Taiwan. We are dealing with that brand. We are doing our own brand, reusable wire cut EDM, MS500, MK series, MS series, DE series also. We have the ZNC drilling EDM.